Yo, what's up, guys? So, yeah, we're gonna be making a fish pool with Brawler right now. Where are you going? Where are you gonna make the fish pool? Ooh, right here, right here, right here. Yeah. Wait. Oh shoot, zombie. Oh yeah, I'm sorry that you could hear his mic. I mean, hear this TV through his mic. You want me to patch this up? No, Lettuce took it from me. Shoot. Well, Lettuce has a bucket. You wanna go rob it from him? Nah, let's just steal from Lettuce. I mean, we already hate him enough. No, we won't. Where are you going? It's over here. I hate him a lot. That's why I'm gonna blow up everything. It's over here. Oh, I forgot that bread. All right. He's probably not gonna log it on. Yeah, we're just two of us. Okay, fine. I mean, I stole the other two, but then I kind of lost them from the mob farm thing. Uh, yes. Here, I'll just come down. Oh, okay. I guess I'm coming down for no reason. Imagine he somehow ends up finding this video. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, it's probably gonna be uploaded after the explosion and the big boom and everything. It's probably gonna be edited in. I mean, this is just us having shenanigans. You do? Have you made it? Stapler? Why is it gonna be like an infinity pool? Where it goes all around? Yo, you could just borrow from the, get it, no, no, you can't, that's not an infinite source. Yeah, from the, yeah. Mhm. Actually, I think that I might just post this separately as a different video. I'm just not gonna edit it. It's just like so short. Yeah. Well, technically you, because you had it in your old world. I want a pet panda. Uh, a what? Bamboo, I bet. I'm still mad about. I had this old world and my brown panda died. Do you need what's it called? Well, yeah, that's one of the. Do you need bamboo if you want to make a bamboo sign? No, it's just 6 bamboo. It's just 6 bamboo, and then 2 normal sticks. I'm sorry, I'm just kind of exposing your base right now. I don't feel like going all the way over there. I'm gonna patch your thing, like the thing that's hiding your base. Wait, oh shoot. No, I won't. How is it gonna die? Oh, yeah. Um, you know what? It's not really smart. Well, you could just pick him up, right? No, put it in your like your base. Yeah, we're just putting bombs under spawn. No, we're putting bombs under spawn and under my base during the conference. Alright, you got the fish? Yeah, bet. Bone meal? Oh, I have bones. I can make bone meal. Alright, just like bone meal the place around it. It's just seagrass, sadly, but still something. Oh yeah, it does do coral. There's a red coral and a pink coral. Yeah. Put him down. Put him down. Stapler. Yeah, it's right there. Stapler. Please no kill. Yeah, so you're gonna have to pick him up before the big boom. I'm kind of spoiling everything for the next episode of this. Hey, swim around, swim around. This place is so chill. You know what we should do after the big boom? If we don't get banned? we should we should probably make him an aquarium. Alright, but if we get banned, no, I'll just tell him to follow the script. The script. No, I'm just gonna tell him to go along with it and not ban us. Uh, yeah. 1:30 p.m. EST tomorrow. It's gonna be the best. Well, best for us, not best for anyone else, really. Just the satisfaction. Well, Obsidian. Well, no, he won't survive. I don't think. And I'll also move you guys out. I'll help you move you guys out so you guys don't get hit. Or do you think you're deep enough underground? Well, no, wait. Will your base stay intact? Who? Who replaced kill polished deep slate? I put love. I put love polished deep slate, but someone. You were Bison. No, that's me. Polished diorite is lettuce. Cause that's what's the church is made out of. Oh. Hold up, I don't have my music on. It's okay. Where's my volume? Is it just in general? Oh. I probably just doxed myself on accident. I'm just kidding. Uh, audio here, main. Wait, I have Minecraft muted. It's fine. I have Minecraft muted in the recording. I could clearly hear through your TV. I I do think that's gonna be it for the video. See you tomorrow.